Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today we are doing the actual AdBlue pump for this Porsche Macan. This is your AdBlue tank. We just finished removing the actual pump out. So this is the actual on the left hand side of the right hand drive car. The AdBlue pump's down here, so that we just go. That's the old one down here. That's the old one, and this is the brand new one. Brand new one from Porsche. We've got a new locking nut as well, and a new seal. Alright, so now we're going to install that in the car. We checked all the lines, so there's a few things we've done. So the front disc and front pad on this car has been done already. Just a quick update for the customer. So front disc, front pads, stripped down everything down here already on this car here. So there's only one bolt here. See that bolt there? That bolt there was just snapped off when we took the cover off. So we have to actually book the thread repair guy. He's coming on Monday to actually repair that bolt. It's normal on these cars here. Sometimes you get 2 or 3. I managed to get the top one off, but this one here is already broken inside. It's too hard to get out, so I don't want to damage anything. So I'll get the thread repair guy, professional guy that comes in. Takes him like very quick to do it, and then nothing will go wrong. At the same time, we're going to assemble the top part. Let me put my hand up here. Hold the top part up there. See here? We're going to assemble everything today on top. And then when the guy on Monday finished doing the repairing that, taking that out, we can actually put the front cover on and refit everything back on. But today I want to finish this part here. So the AdBlue pump. We're going to put everything back together. Here's the new pump here. We're going to install this in, and then yeah, get everything done. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.